Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Today we'll read chapter 4 of EVS, Living and Non-Living Things. Student, we can see many things around us, out of which some have life in them. They are alive. So we call them living things. And some do not have life in them. They are not alive. So we call them non-living things. So all the things around us can be categorized into two: living things and non-living things. In living things, we include people, animals, birds, insect, plant, etc. So, you people, animal and plants have life in them. So, we call them living things. In non-living things, we include sun, water, air, building, stone, mobile, etc. All these things do not have life in them. So, we call them non-living things. Now, student, again, we can categorize non-living things into two parts: natural non-living thing and man-made non-living thing. Natural non-living things are made by nature. People cannot make natural non-living things. So, God has made natural non-living things such as sun, moon, water, fire, stone, mountain, river, etc. And man-made non-living things are building, books, computer, mobile, furniture, etc. These all things are non-living and made by man. So we call them man-made non-living things. Now we learn about living things. So all living things grow, breathe. Breathes means they take in air and they take out air. Means वो सांस लेते हैं. Breathe माने सांस लेना. And has babies. So anything that grows, breathes and has babies is called a living thing. A living thing need food, air and water to grow and stay alive. So all the living things depend on food, air and water to remain alive. तो सारे living thing को food, air and water चाहिए रहता है. Human, plants and animals are example of living things. Now we learn the qualities or characteristics of living things. All living things grow. So all the plants, human and animal grow. They change from small to big. They change their shape and size. When we put seed in the soil, after some time, a sapling come out. Sapling changes into tiny plant and plant changes into big tree. In this way, plant grows. When the child is born, after some time, it changes into toddler, then to kid, then to teenage, then to adult, and then to old man or woman. In this way, human also grow. We can see in the picture different stages of growth. Animal also grow. We can see in this picture that egg hatches into chick and chick changes into hen. So animal also changes their shape and size. So all the plants, human and animal change their shape and size and they grow. Now all the living things eat food and drink water. Student, I want to tell you that plants make their own food. They collect nutrients from the soil and with the help of sunlight and water they make their food. तो plants अपना food खुद बनाते हैं. So plants make their own food. But animal and human depend on plants and other animals for their food. So all we can see in this picture also that all the human, animal are drinking water and eating food. Now all the living things breathe air. So this is the main characteristic or quality of living thing. Living things breathe. Human breathe with the help of lungs. तो नाक से सांस लेती है जो lungs में जाती है. So human breathe with the help of lungs. Fish breathe with the help of gills. Plants breathe with the help of tiny pores present on the leaf. तो leaf में छोटे छोटे holes होते हैं. With the help of which plants breathe. And animals breathe with their lungs. Now All the living things feel. So as human feel hot, cold, tired, sad, angry, pain, in the same way animal also feel hot, cold, tired, angry. They get angry also and they feel pain also. And plants also can feel. When we touch the leaves of touch me not plant, it shrinks. That shows it also feel. तो जब टच मी नॉट की लीव्स को टच करते हैं तो उसकी पत्तियां सिकुड़ जाती हैं. तो we can say that plants also feel. All living things have their babies of their own. So all the living things give birth to young ones. We can see women give birth to child, duck give birth to duckling, lion give birth to cub, and tiny sapling come out from the seed. In this way we can say all the living things give birth to young ones. All the living things move. So all the living things move from one place to another. We can see in this picture, monkey is jumping on the tree. That means it is moving from the place. Cat is running. That means it is moving. Bird is flying. Boy is also running. In this way, we can see all the living things move. And plants also move. They cannot move from one place to another, but they can move on their place. As sunflower changes its position according to direction of the sun. So all the living things can move. Now we learn about non-living things. So in this picture we can see sun, moon, star, river, mountain, etc. And all these things are non-living things. They do not have life in them. And they are natural non-living things because these things are made by God. Now in this picture we can see book, we can see toys, and we can see school or building. These all things, school, book, toys, are made by man. So we call them man-made non-living things. Now we learn about non-living things. Things that do not grow, breathe and move are called non-living things. So non-living things do not grow, बड़े नहीं होते हैं, breathe नहीं करते हैं, they do not breathe and they do not move from one place to another. Non-living things do not need air, water and food. So non-living things do not eat food, they do not drink water and they do not breathe. Stone, building, mountain, etc. are example of non-living things. Now we'll see natural non-living things. So in this picture we can see clouds, sun, moon, star, river, mountain, desert, etc. These all are natural non-living things. They do not have life and they are made by God. Now in this picture we can see man-made non-living things. We can see house, car, toys, camera, bag, chair. These all things are non-living things and they are made by man. So we call them man-made non-living things. Now we'll see difference between living thing and non-living thing. So on the left hand side we see living thing and on the right hand side we see non-living things. So all the living things grow but all the non-living things do not grow. All the living things move, non-living things do not move. All the living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. All the living things eat food, non-living things do not eat food. Living things reproduce means give birth to young ones, but non-living things do not reproduce means they do not give birth to young ones. So student, we can make out difference between living things and non-living things. So that's all for today.